I've got a number of different objects for Affinity Photo. Got some text that was created using the Artistic Text tool. I've got a shape that was created using one of the shape tools. And also I've just placed an image. You can just see it as an image there. And I want to turn it into a pattern. Now, if I go over here and say layer, new pattern layer from selection, and you'd think straight away it will turn into a pattern. Nope. No, it doesn't. What you need to do with all of these, you need to select it like that and go to a layer and down to rasterize. So rasterize, once you've selected that, you'll notice it becomes a pixel layer. Likewise, this one, you again go to layer and rasterize, and you can see again that becomes a pixel layer. And likewise, of course, you could do exactly the same with the ellipse and of course other objects that are not pixel layers. So as soon as they're a pixel layer, what you can do, you can go now to a layer and new pattern layer from selection in Affinity Photo, and it will become a pattern layer. And then of course you can manipulate it, change it, all kinds of different things as well. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.